Hey Fetii, welcome to Kappa Phi at ASU. Let me show you all around.
Here we have our poker room. Boys play down here every night.
So welcome to our common area. This is where we be hanging out, playing ping pong. This is our main living area. So all the boys be watching football, play some Wii. This is our kitchen. This is the cleanest you'll ever see it. This probably cook around like 15 steaks a night in here. This is our chapter chef back here, Luke Scott, probably practicing for his dish tonight. Welcome to our second floor. This is where we be getting rowdy. As you can tell, we got a few holes in the walls back here. This is our balcony. It's where all the guys like to hang out. Finally, it's getting nice in Arizona. We got our dummy over here. We got a few holes in the wall, how to prevent them in some way or another. This is our fourth floor. As you can see, this is a hole right now. We got hella trash. Everybody chairs that they don't want to use. Laundry hanging over everywhere. This is what a normal double looks like in our house. You got a full-size fridge. We got Tavon on the highlight reel. We got 2 beds, couch. This is where our Fetii house flag is. Thanks for stopping by, Fetii. Rush Kappa Phi. Oh yeah, Fetii.